This installation you'll need a 10mm socket wrench. The rear turn signals are located in the rear light housing. Begin by opening the tailgate. There are 2 bolts on the inside. To remove the housing, use your 10mm wrench to remove the 2 bolts. Loosen the light housing by applying pressure backwards. We highlight here where the tabs from the housing lock into the frame. Now locate the rear turn signal light socket. Remove the turn signal socket by turning it counterclockwise. Pull out the incandescent bulb, replace it with the LED. And test it. There is no hyper flash. Line up the tabs on the socket with the slots in the housing. Install the socket and turn it clockwise to lock. Push the housing back in. Replace and tighten the 2 10mm bolts. Now repeat those steps on the other side. These new LED bulbs are much brighter than the incandescent. Plus, these LEDs are canvas with no error code flickering or hyper flashing.